Hello and welcome to my press to handstand course. I'm Natalie. I teach the art of hand balancing. We are going to learn how to press into a handstand in the next approximately 4 months. This program will require you to put in around about an hour of work every day. In this program, we are first of all going to focus on the straddle handstand, cleaning up the straddle handstand, making it very solid. Then we'll focus on the negative of the press to handstand. And then in the last part, we'll focus on the upwards movement. We are also going to have a look at progressions and where to take this further. Fantastic. Thank you very much for being here. Just in time for me starting to film this course, London has brought me a thunderstorm. So with the support of this thunderstorm, let us start with the first warm-up of this press to handstand course.